What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new Brio Raze head shaver. Looks like this. Just got it today in the mail. I'm going to open it up for you and I'm going to show you what you're going to get in the package when you purchase this. This is the box. As you've seen on the back, it has all the information about the features on the sides. And as you know, if you follow my channel, I did do an unboxing for the Brio Beardscape version 2. I have the version 1 as well. I also have the Supersonic toothbrush by Brio, and they have amazing packaging. As you can see, it's no different. Inside you're gonna have an information packet with instructions on how to clean it, maintenance, safety information, charging, and all that jazz. In the box, you will have the actual head shaver and the charging cable here. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be like a little mouse filled to it. It's going to have the 5 head shavers on it. So it's pretty cool. It does rotate like this. Show you out of the box. It is 100%. That's pretty nice. As you push the button once, you have the first speed. You push it again, you have a faster speed. It does not come with a charging port. It only comes with a USB. So keep that in mind when you do purchase this, that you are only going to get the USB cable. You're not going to get the charging port that goes into the wall. I'm not going to trim my hair tonight. As I'm shooting this video, I will probably do it tomorrow, but I wanted to do an unboxing. This will be coming available very soon on the Brio website. With that said, I'm going to get off this video, but before I do, go ahead and hit the like button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you're up to date with all these videos that I'm posting out, and I will post a video going over my routine and going over what my final thoughts are on this head shaver. Is it better than the skull shaver? We'll find out. Catch you on the next one.